Hi folks, it's Amy here at the Peterborough Town Library with another Summer Reading Storytime Craft. Today it's fish and painting! Painting on fish, there we go. So in your jolly bag, you will have a piece of ocean and some color of fish. It'll be a surprise. You also have a googly eye for said fish. And then you'll have 2 cups with some paint and then some painting implements like a sponge, some Q-tips, some bubble wrap, and you can use whatever you have at home too. So I think to start, I'm going to glue my fish down onto the page. You could choose to paint the background of your ocean first and then add your fish after it's dried, but I feel like keeping it simple today. So I put a bunch of glue on the back of my fish, and I'm gonna stick it right here in the middle of the blue ocean. And then I'm gonna add his eye so I don't forget it. Right there. And now I'm gonna do some painting. And what I would really like to do most is to try to make some bubbles in the ocean with this bubble wrap. I'm not sure how it's gonna go, but I'm gonna try just dipping some in, wiping it off a little bit on the edge of this cup, and seeing if we have some sort of bubble looking things. There we go. That's kind of working. You can see some little bubbles there. And what else? I think I'm gonna make some sponge pattern on my fish. Maybe some sponge pattern on the tail and the fins. Looks jolly. And there's some sponge painting. Oh, I'm gonna make the table all messy. That's okay. And then I think I'm gonna paint some stripes because fish needs stripes. If I was a fish, I would want some squiggly purple stripes for sure. But again, you can decorate your fish however you would like, because there are so many fish in the ocean. They're all different. Rowan has a smile too. Oh my goodness, you guys. What do you think? Is it a good fish? So I hope you have fun decorating your fish and painting your fish in your ocean, and we'll see you again at story time. Bye!